is a lot of biscuits. 5 biscuits. And 5 more biscuits. How many biscuits is that all together? That's right, it's 10 biscuits. Cats! Cats! Come and have some biscuits.
How many is that, Isabella?
5.
That's it, right now. Come on.
Okay. Wait, no! Don't touch anything there. Martha!
Dreamies! Martha, Dreamies!
I can go and get her. Here you go, Martha! Dreamies to eat! Dreamies to eat! Eat 1 biscuit! Dreamies, okay?
Martha!
Eat 1
Martha!
biscuit! Eat 1 biscuit! 1! Okay? Only do 1.
She doesn't want to eat them. Oh dear, it didn't work.
Oh, there she goes. It did work.
No. Oh, shall I stop filming?
Pickle! Biscuits! I think it's catching. Why are you looking at me like that? What's wrong with these biscuits?
Cats don't like it when you make our food look like dice.
Topsy! Come on! 10 biscuits! Come on! I don't think 10's the magic number. Oh. And she's in. 10 biscuits. Take away 1 biscuit. Leaves 9 biscuits. 9 biscuits. Take away 1 biscuit. Leaves 8 biscuits. 8 biscuits. Take away 1 biscuit. Leaves 7 biscuits. 7 biscuits. Oh, take away 2 biscuits. Leaves us with 5 biscuits. She's going for it now. 5 biscuits. Take away 1 biscuit. Leaves us with 4 biscuits. Is she going to go for the whole 10? 4 biscuits. Take away 1 biscuit. Leaves 3. 3. Take away 2. No. Take away 1. 3 biscuits. Take away 1 bit. I've put her off now, look. 3 biscuits. Take away 1 biscuit. Leaves us with 2. Topsy, have you had enough now? I think she's had enough now.
I don't care if they look like dice. They just taste nice.